Hey collectors, here is a look at Shadow Weaver from She-Ra Princess of Power cartoon series and under the Cartoon Collection toy line by Mattel. At the back of the card, we have a scene specific from an episode, The Eldritch Mist, and the accessory that comes with Shadow Weaver, plus the other characters for this wave of the Cartoon Collection line. Out of the card, Shadow Weaver comes with a mini comic book titled Final Night, and here is what she looks like with the plastic tray. And before you get the figure, there are plastic straps securing her to the tray, and I suggest cutting it from behind to avoid damaging the figure. And she comes with the scepter and, of course, the Eldritch book. At the back, she has a soft plastic cape which is separately inserted from the tray. So be careful when you are pulling her out. And also, this is where I suggest you cutting off those plastic strips that secures the figure on the tray. And here is Shadow Weaver out of the plastic tray. She has limited articulation. And again, Mattel, cheap out on this one. I'll show you later where did they cut corners. And here is the back part of the figure. The cape that she has is not soft, and I'm going to correct myself. It is as hard as those sleeves that are hanging out from her forearm. Mattel should have used cloth instead of sculpted plastic for her cape, and probably for some parts of this figure because mostly she is wearing cloth. And this is the part where Mattel cut corners. The figure does not have any legs, so she is like a cake topper, a very expensive cake topper. This figure has limited posability due to the fact that Mattel did not give her legs. But this figure also can stand on its own because of the design of her dress. So you won't need to worry about her when you are putting her on your display. In the cartoons, there are times when Shadow Weaver is levitating. So the sculpting of her sleeves that are permanently on this position makes it like wind is blowing and making her float. Oh, and by the way, Mattel should have included a transparent stand so she would look like levitating on your display. I'd rather Mattel included legs for this figure instead of giving us an extra plastic for an accessory for one specific episode. And for size comparison, here she is with the Dark Knight Batman from the Dark Knight trilogy films by Modoking Model Kit and Buzz Lightyear from Toy Story by Bandai Model Kit. With the battle damage C-3PO 2-pack with Chewbacca from Star Wars Black Series The Empire Strikes Back and Steve Rogers' Worthy Captain America from Marvel Legends by Hasbro. With Saitama from One Punch Man anime by Dasin Toys and Vash the Stampede from Trigun anime by Jazzwares. With Skeletor and He-Man from Masters of the Universe Filmation version by Super 7. And finally with He-Man and Faker from Masters of the Universe Cartoon Collection line by Mattel. And with that, thank you all for watching and see you all again next video.